Hi guys, I'm Omar Lyrica. In this video, I'm going to show how you can create a GIF from any YouTube video. But before then, don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this. So to create a GIF, go to YouTube. Select the video you want to use. Now to create a GIF from this video, go to the URL of the video and copy it. When you are done, head on to this website, link in description. So in this website, paste the video link you copied here. Wait for it to process. From here, select the duration you want. Now select the portion in which you want to use as a GIF. Now create GIF and your GIF will be created. Now click on download and your GIF will be downloaded to your computer. Open it and you can see the GIF we created. So this is how to create a GIF from a YouTube video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.